In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control Google Meet settings. Managing your meeting effectively can sometimes feel like a juggling act, but with a little guidance on adjusting these settings, you'll have everything under control in no time. So let's dive in. First, head over to your Google Meet session. When you're in a meeting, having a clear understanding of your settings is crucial for maintaining a smooth and professional environment. Look for the options labeled Host Controls. Clicking here opens up a world of possibilities to tailor your meeting to your preferences. You'll find an option to enable or disable host management. This setting gives you the overarching power to control various features of the meeting. Deciding the level of control you want can help streamline the meeting process or open it up for more collaboration. Next, decide if you want to give participants the ability to share their screens. This can be incredibly useful for presentations and collaborative work, but keep in mind that enabling screen sharing can lead to security concerns if unchecked. Choose wisely based on the nature of your meeting. Sending reactions can lighten the mood of a digital meeting, given our lack of in-person connection. Decide if you want to enable or disable this feature. Allowing reactions can encourage a more participatory environment, subtly letting your team express thoughts without disrupting the flow. Sometimes meetings require focused listening, and here's where managing microphone settings comes into play. Decide whether or not you will allow participants to turn on their microphones. This can be particularly helpful in larger meetings where background noise might be an issue. Similar to microphone control, you have the power to enable or disable participants' video capabilities. This can be essential when bandwidth is limited or to maintain focus on the speaker without visual distractions. As a host, having the ability to keep track of everyone's engagement is essential. To manage people within your meeting, click on the People tab. This is your central command for managing participants. If certain situations arise, you might need to access more options for specific participants. Click on More Options for additional controls. This gives you the flexibility to assign or remove privileges individually. Turning someone into a co-host can be incredibly useful. Sharing responsibilities ensures that if you have to focus on presenting, someone else can watch the chat or manage attendees. This collaborative approach helps in distributed attention, handling various tasks simultaneously. Lastly, you might need to remove someone from the call. This feature is necessary when disruptions occur and you need to maintain proper meeting etiquette and focus. And there you go. With these tools at your fingertips, controlling your Google Meet settings will become second nature. It'll allow you to conduct meetings that are efficient, secure, and suit the needs of your team or audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips empower you to make the most of your virtual meetings.